For the last 2 weeks, you have seen commercials promoting the upcoming Hard Relationship Workshop scheduled for June 3rd at the Renaissance Church of Christ, sponsored by Focus, the Fellowship of Christian Adult Singles, their singles ministry. The first infomercial highlighted the need for this workshop, looking at the plight of the single individual who is struggling with the games played, the poor choices of potential mates, and the hurt that comes with being single. The second infomercial served to point out the difficulties those who have experienced divorce face in the church and why they need this workshop. This segment focuses on those of you who have great relationships and why you should attend this workshop. Some might ask, why do those who have a great relationship need to attend a workshop aimed at those who have been hurt, abandoned, rejected, and devastated? As one of the leaders of this great workshop, my beautiful wife being the other, we have done our best to develop a workshop that speaks to the failings of relationships and how they come about. We have drawn from our combined over 45 years of counseling experience to present perspectives that will bring about healing, avoidance techniques, recovery strategies, and provide direction for those seeking healthy relationships. And we truly believe that we will accomplish these objectives. Truth be told, however, there is nothing better than having those who are currently enjoying a healthy relationship share their experiences. This is why we hope that you, who are basking in the sunlight of blissful relationship, whether married or single or engaged, join us. There is also a potential benefit for you as well. Realizing that all relationships go through different stages and phases, as those in attendance will be sharing their unique challenges and experiences, this workshop could serve as a forecast for you, thus preparing you. So, it really does matter where you stand at this very moment. You could use this workshop to help yourself, or you could use this workshop as an opportunity to help others. Again, on June 3rd, we are presenting the Hard Relationship Workshop, the stages and phases of relationships and divorce, live at the Renaissance Church of Christ in Atlanta, Georgia. We will be live, but if you are unable to travel to Atlanta, we will be simultaneously hosting a Zoom video conference. This workshop is not just for those who have experienced divorce or a bad relationship. Anyone who is in a relationship, whether married or single, anyone who just got out of a relationship, anyone who is still hurting from a bad relationship, and anyone who is about to go into a relationship should attend. And again, if you have a great relationship, you should attend. We hope that you will join us for this enlightening workshop, again sponsored by the Renaissance Church of Christ Singles Ministry. Join us in person or via Zoom video conference. Scan the QR code above to register. We guarantee that you will receive valuable information that will get you to the point of better relationships. Through our many years of working with couples, we realize that some relationships require some one-on-one attention, so we also offer pastoral counseling if you think you have a need for that service. We offer premarital counseling, individual counseling, and family counseling should you need those services. I have even had a few individuals who were in premarital counseling realize that their fiance was not the one, and they are now in individual counseling to get themselves right before venturing into another relationship. Quite wise, I think. See our website if you're interested in these services. Help has finally arrived. Even if you have a great relationship, this workshop can show you ways to keep it that way. Don't need your help yourself? This workshop contains great information for your family members or friends who just can't see or won't see that they are in trouble. So again, if you have been hurt, abandoned, rejected, and devastated, or know someone who has, this workshop offers great techniques and strategies in healing, avoiding bad relationships, and ways to recover, as well as direction moving forward. We look forward to having you join us. You will not be disappointed. If interested, simply scan the QR code at the end of this video, which will take you to our website to register. Have questions? Feel free to call me at 214-202-7968 or email me. All of my contact information is on your screen. We hope that you will join us, those of you that have great relationships right now. So, I look forward once again to hearing from you. My phone number again is 214-202-7968. Please leave a message and I will get back with you. Take care. God bless.